Diamond.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a tutorial on how to do a fake ponytail using Freetress water wave crochet hair. So I took some Hicks edge control and just pretty much gonna slick my hair down, and then on top of that I put some QP Elasta leave-in conditioner just because I just like the way it smells. And I don't do too much on my edges because I don't really know how. So I just pretty much do the basics and get it as slick and sleek as possible. So now I'm just going to put it up in a high ponytail. This is the first look that I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. And I'm just going to go over my edges a little bit more just to get it a little bit more sleek before putting the hair on, and make sure everything is slicked down.
Diamond.
After this, I'm going to take it and put it in a bun. I'm going to try to get the bun as small as possible, but my hair is like really thick and sometimes it can be hard. I have to give it a couple of tries, but you want to get it in the smallest bun possible, so that it can look, you know, real once you put the fake hair on, and then none of your hair is showing at all. So I wrapped the scarf around my head so that my edges can lay down a little bit more. And now I'm grabbing the hair. I already wore it, so this is not fresh out the pack. When you get it fresh out the pack, it's going to look way different. It's going to look skinnier, slimmer. And what you're going to do is you're going to take it out the pack. Make sure you put the scrunchie on there to make it a ponytail, and then you're going to pluck it out with your fingers. So this is 2 packs of hair. You don't have to use 2. You can do like 1.5. So you're going to take your scrunchie, and you're pretty much just going to loop one side into the other and then pull really, really tight upward so that you can pretty much make a ponytail, as you can see. So I have the ponytail around my hand now, and I'm just plucking it out a little bit more. So what you guys want to do is you want to go from the bottom to the top when plucking it out, because this hair can get really, really tangled. And it was easier for me when I plucked it from the bottom and made my way up top, and it came out a little bit thicker too. So you're just going to take your fingers and separate the curl. It's going to be a way tighter curl than this when you buy the pack. And it took me maybe about 20 minutes to do the whole thing. And now I'm just taking some scissors and I'm just going to trim the extra hair on the side and at the bottom, just to make it look a little bit more natural. And it creates less tangle. So now that we've done all that, we're going to attach the ponytail to our bun and just tighten it as much as you can. And you're going to apply the pony in the front so that you can flip it back like you just saw. And then you're going to take a piece of the hair. It doesn't have to be a lot, just enough to cover your bun in the back. And just wrap it around the ponytail. Make sure you cover your real hair so that it can't be seen. And then you're going to secure it with a bobby pin. So guys, here is the complete finished first look, a high ponytail, and it's super cute, right? Looks super real, everything is secured, and yeah. So on to the second look. This is going to be a low ponytail. You can do a middle part, side part, or you can do a straight back like how I did. I normally don't do a straight back because my head looks huge when I do it this way. But I said, forget it. I didn't feel like making a part. So you're going to do a low ponytail and then you're going to make it into a bun, just like how we did it in the first hairstyle. And after that, you're going to secure it with a bobby pin or a rubber band or a scrunchie. I like to use scrunchies to secure my buns. And then you're going to take the same ponytail and you're going to attach it to your bun the exact same way we attached it in the first look. You want to attach it so backwards so that you can flip it over your bun when you're done. So now I'm just taking pieces of the hair to secure it and wrap it around to, make it look like mine and so that you guys can't see my real hair. And secure it with bobby pins, just exactly like how we did in the first one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Comment. If you try it, let me know.